Hello, good day. We are here today at Stillacom Lake. And we're trying out our new paddleboard. So there's the kids enjoying their time. And we're lucky today kasi it's Sunday. Oh, it's not even the kids. I think that's me and my son. So, yan. I think I was screaming at that time because I'm really scared being in the water. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy.